If your chords sound almost right, but not quite like the song that you're playing along to, then you're probably missing a seventh chord. In this video, I'm going to teach you the seventh chords in each key signature and why they are important and how they fit into a song. This is another lesson video that's part of my How to Play Guitar for Beginners. My name is Shelley. I am a singer, songwriter, recording artist, and I have been performing and playing guitar for 50 years. And my goal is to help new guitarists like yourselves learn how to play the guitar, understand it, so that you become a confident guitar player. Seventh chords. What do they sound like? What do they look like? So I'm going to show you in each key signature the seventh chord in that key signature. So our musical alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So now we're going to start with A, and we have an A seventh chord. And that's how it sounds. This is your A major, and this is your A seventh. B, you have your B major chord, and then you're going to play your B seventh chord. That's how that sounds. C, C major, then you add a note, and it's C seventh. D, D major, this is D seventh. E major, and then E seventh. Then F major, F seventh, G major, G seventh. So how do all of these fit into a song? Notice how when I played each seventh chord, I was either taking away a note or adding a note. So it just gives it that little bit of flavor and a little bit more emotion to the song. Not every song has sevenths in it, but some writers like to use seventh chords. For example, to really notice the difference of using when a seventh chord is important is in the song Take Me Home Country Roads. So I'm just gonna, in the bridge, it's of the song, and I'm gonna sing part of it, okay? And this bridge is where the seventh is really important. So, driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday, yesterday. That's a D seventh. Now I'm gonna play it without the D seventh, and you'll see what a big difference it is. So I'm going to go, driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday, yesterday. Notice the note I'm singing now sounds flat because it's not matching. Okay, yesterday. But if I play the seventh chord, yesterday, now it sounds right. So that's where the transition of a song from coming out of the bridge, going back into the chorus is really important. So yesterday, then it goes back to the chorus. Take me home, country roads, and then so on. Some other songs like the F major seventh. F major seventh, it's more like in a bluesy tone. That's your F major seventh right there. And then with the bar chord, then you got la da da da, da 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 da. So that's where those kind of seventh chords can be used. Seventh chords are, some songs use a lot of them. So you're transitioning. So you go from G, G seventh, to C, or G to C. But see how it gives that little bit of flavor? Just da 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 da. There's a lot of beginner guitar players that they stick to just the 3 major chords because that's all they've learned. I've played with some self-taught guitar players, and they won't play 7th chords or minors for that matter. And it's because A, they didn't learn their 7th chords, or they don't know how to use them, or they're just like, I don't need that 7th chord. I don't need that minor chord. But what happens is the song doesn't sound quite the same. I can be hearing somebody playing a song and they're going, I'm recognizing that song, but because they're leaving out certain chords, like 7th chords, it doesn't quite sound the same. So if you're playing along with a song and you want it to sound exactly and have that down pat where you have the song is sounding correctly and you're being really confident about, then everybody's going to say, oh, you sound so good. Because you made the song sound like the original that I always listen to. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below. And I like to answer everyone's questions, because sometimes not everybody learns the same. So if you're still confused with something and you need to learn it in a different way, I'd be happy to show it in another video. This lesson is also part of a playlist of how to play guitar for beginners. So if you want to go check those out, please do. If you like this video, please give me a like and a thumbs up. If you feel somebody else could benefit from this, please share. And most of all, please subscribe and click that little notification button so that you get notified when I upload a new video, which I do every Monday, once a week. So keep playing guitar, and I'll see you in the next video.